Now you see, within the truck, there's the engine. Alright, and in the engine, you have pistons. Now, within the piston, you have the shaft, and you have the actual piston. Okay? Now, the piston is shoved straight up the shaft, compressing the air, and therefore spontaneously combusting within the fuel. Now, when those two mix, it blows up, causing an explosion, therefore creating the spontaneous combustion. And it does that like this. Now, when it does that, it creates the power for the engine to go. Vroom, vroom. Now, when it does that, that basically makes the car go. When the car goes, you get to places that you want to go to. Now, when you involve that with the bang, bang, boom, boom, as I so call it, that is pretty much how it goes, only with much more censored parts. Remember that.
Got it. Wait, so you weren't going to go into detail on the bang, bang, boom, boom?
Nope.
Yeah.
We're going to put this on the internet.
Yes, we should. Okay.
Let's see it.
All right.